What up, gang? In this video, we're talking about breath control. Alright, I want to teach you this stuff, right? Breath control is important not only for delivering your lyrics and your songs, but also for when you go to perform these songs that you write in front of all your tens of thousands of fans when they hear it live, right? Think about it, you got a manifesto, right?
They'll have 1 million white people out there right now.
Every inhale gives you only so much fuel for delivery. You gotta think about it like that. But you also have to take into account the amount of time that you have to breathe between lyrics, which may only give you X amount of breath, right? The one thing is don't overthink it, all right? But we're gonna get into these tips. Well, for starters, think about this, right? Consider how the diaphragm works, how it contracts, how it expands. It happens in your lower belly, all right? So if you stand up, it allows more air to be able to go inside of your lower belly as opposed to being like this where it's squeezed out and it's contracted. Okay, now me personally, and I've seen a lot of big artists do this as well, personally sit like this. That's why this is like perfectly set up for me while I'm recording for quicker, more concentrated takes. But I also,
you know what I'm talking about?
Sit upright in the chair, okay? Now, the primary way to help yourself from the start with your career is to make sure that you are conscious of time to breathe when you write lyrics. You can write the places that you're gonna breathe into the lyrics, okay? So in your lyrics, you can say, put in parentheses, a B, that's where you're gonna breathe. You'll get used to it very quickly. You won't have to do this anymore. You're gonna wanna make sure that you place the breaths where they don't interrupt your flow.
Oh, God.
Really quick, if you can hit that subscribe button for me, I really appreciate it. Growing this channel allows me to help more artists like you and me so that we can keep getting further faster together. That's it, let's get back to the video. Now, the general rule is that you can go 4 bars max without breathing, depending on how many syllables are in the bar, the speed, the tempo. It depends if you're singing, there's a lot of different things, okay? But you don't want to sound like you're losing breath. It doesn't sound professional. Okay, typically you can take the breath after you say 2 bars or at the end of each bar, or you can write in the breath in the middle of the bar. But it's tough to say that. Don't overthink it. The breaths don't need to be huge, deep breaths. They need to be comfortable, normal breaths that you're taking. So the big tip to take from this video is write the breath into the bars. Also take into account that your flows will change depending on where you put the breath in the bar. Because if you put the breath in the middle of the bar, well, you're going to deliver the lyric delivered like, all gonna diva like, whatever. It's how it's going to come out if you add them in there. So it's also going to give you variations to your flows. So there's the tip for that. I'm Rob Level. This is Smart Rapper. Hope this quick tip helped you out. Again, don't overthink it. It's gonna become natural to you over time, but this is a great way to start. Hope this helps you out. Make sure you get my 12 levels of the music industry blueprint below. Just massively upgraded that. It's gonna give you a lot of information and teach you and show you where you're at now and every single thing that you need to do to get where you want to go. Hit me with a subscribe. Check the links in the description and in that top comment. Get that for free. It's really cool. We spent a lot of time on it. Keep hustling, gang, and I'll see you at the top.